Back in 2011, there was a company on which Elon Musk had laughed at.
You're familiar with BYD, which is also on the West Coast. Warren Buffett owns 10% stake in that. Why do you laugh? BYD is trying to compete. Why do you laugh?
Have you seen their car?
In April 2025, they crushed Tesla in Europe with around 359% of sales growth. And now they're set to bring an affordable and high-performance EV in India at a pricing of around 10 lakh rupees. How is this car company beating Tesla in its own game? Let's understand that. My name is Apar Mekar and you're watching The Why Report. But first, it's important to understand where this company has come from. Let's rewind back in time. BYD started off as a phone battery manufacturing company. They used to manufacture batteries for Motorola. Founder Wang was a chemist who understood that energy is the future. So in 2003, he bought a failing car company. At that time, people called him crazy. Fast forward to 2008, Warren Buffett invested around $230 million in the same company, which is valued at around $9 billion today. But that investment wasn't enough. BYD needed a technological breakthrough to beat Tesla in its own game. What was the breakthrough that BYD made? Let's talk about it in detail. BYD's real breakthrough were the Blade batteries. The battery was lighter, cheaper, and very efficient, as well as safer than that of Tesla's. Using this battery, they launched a Han sedan model in China, which beat Tesla Model S sales in China. But the battery wasn't enough to win the EV war. They needed a killer product. And then came the BYD's most lethal weapon, the Seagull. Seagull is small, stylish and cheaper than a used Honda. In China, its price is rupees 8 lakhs. And in India, it could cost around 10 lakhs. In Thailand, cab drivers have already started buying Seagull and use it as rental cabs because that helps them to save $200 a month on gas. But price alone isn't enough. BYD did something extra in technology development that became challenging for Tesla. Tesla brags about its fast charging, 275 kilometers in 15 minutes. But BYD came up with a next level game in it. Their 10C Tech charges 400 kilometers in 5 minutes, faster than ordering your McDonald's meal. Keeping all these things apart, the real test happened in Europe, where Tesla had a dominant market position and BYD had just entered. Then what is it that helped BYD to crush Tesla? Europe imposed a 17% tariff on Chinese EVs and BYD didn't care at all because BYD had come up with PHEVs, which is plug-in hybrid electric vehicles. But what is a PHEV? A PHEV can run fully on electricity for a significant distance as long as the battery is charged. This is ideal for short commute. Once the battery is depleted, the battery switches to use its gasoline engine. This engine can also be used to charge its own batteries. Now, as they were PHEVs, they were excluded from the taxation, and Chinese PHEV sales increased by 546% the same year. BYD outsold Tesla for 2 consecutive months in the year 2025. But people still had some doubts. Some myths never needed to be cleared. There's a myth in people's mind that the success of BYD was really because of government subsidies. Let me clear this. It was not because of government subsidies, it was because BYD operates in vertical integration. Batteries, chips, mining, everything is in-house. In 2025, their profit margin hit 20%. Then people come up with a myth saying Tesla's self-driving is way better than BYD's self-driving. But BYD's God's Eye ADAS competes with Tesla's FDS. Can BYD repeat the same magic in India? BYD Seagull could be launching in India in early 2026. Expected price would be around 10 lakh rupees. It will be having 2 battery options, 30 kWh and 38 kWh. The range will be around 305 to 405 kilometers. Features include a 10.1-inch touchscreen dashboard, 5-inch digital driver display, and safety includes 6 airbags, electronic stability program, and reverse camera as well. The competitors here will be Tata Tiago, MG Comet EV, and Citroen EC3. Whereas Tesla's Model Y is ahead in performance and premium positioning. But in affordability and value for money, BYD leads the competition without a doubt. In 2026, BYD could launch robo-taxis with their God's Eye tech, and real battles will start over batteries because BYD's sodium-ion batteries will cut the cost by around 20%. According to my opinion, India will not have to wait more for buying an affordable and a high-performance EV. Because in a price sensitive market like India, BYD's 10 lakh rupees Seagull is far better than Tesla's 60 lakh rupees Model Y. Tesla has remained limited to the luxury segment in India, but as you know, one that feels appealing to the mass is the only one that dominates the Indian markets. And BYD is here to do that. So if you are waiting for Tesla to get to India, maybe you should also have a look at BYD, because the future of affordable EVs is already here. That's it from my end. If you like the video and the concept that we discussed upon, make sure you comment about your views and do share this video with your close friends. Signing off.